Hey, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share a no bullshit review on the new Gucci palette. I've seen a lot of reviews out there and I definitely have my thoughts. This video is not going to be full of arm swatches, but you are going to see me apply the look that I'm wearing today. Close up, personal, we're going to get into all the details. So I ordered mine from the Gucci website. It took about 3 days to get here. It retails for $149. And I am a sucker for packaging. So I got this cute little Gucci bag in my box, which I thought was really, really cute. So if you were giving it as a gift, I think that would be really cute, right? I think it says, yeah, it says Gucci on both sides. So really, really cute little bag. Okay, I thought that was nice. And then, this is the box right here. And then it comes in, let me put it in there and then we'll take it out. It comes in this little velvet bag here, this little pink little bag. And then we have the packaging. This is why I bought it in the first place. I'm just a sucker for packaging. Look at how beautiful this is. I love the roses on it. I love the Gucci right there. It's just the scallop design, the pink on the bottom that looks at that vintagey pink, kind of actually matches their powder, okay? Gorgeous. It feels weighty. It feels really nice. I've ordered bougie products before and the packaging has been crap. And it's like, that's part of what you're paying for, okay? So then you open it up and there's this little button right here and you press that. Excuse my mirror, that's dirty because I have been using it. And that's the mirror, really, really pretty mirror. And then you have the palette right here. Now the palette comes out, and you can see where I have to be careful, I don't want to drop this, but see where that little thing is? You just take your finger and you stick it in there, and then, let me be very careful here, this is the palette. It's pretty thin, you can see how thin it is, okay? And then this is what it looks like inside. So according to the website, they are going to come out with another palette, like a refill. So that's what this is. So then, and then you just snap it back in there. Okay. So I really like that. The color story is interesting. I know some people said something about that blue, but I've seen a look with that blue and it's really, really pretty. But I didn't want to do that one today. I wanted to do something a little bit more me today. Okay. To show you what it looks like. So I love the packaging. It's an A+. If Rachel Ashwell from Shabby Chic had her own makeup line, this is what it would look like. I mean, seriously, I don't know if she is working with them or what, but I'm not kidding you. The powder, I have the powder. Let me go through it really quickly and tell you where I stand with this brand so far, okay? So I have the foundation. I like the foundation. I don't know that, and I'm wearing it today, by the way. I don't know if I would reorder. It has a lot of oil in it. So it's not one that and I've seen it because it's settled and I can see the oil at the top of it, okay? So I don't know if it would be one I will repurchase or not. We'll see. It's very highly fragranced as well. Okay, it goes away, but it is highly fragranced. The powder is nice, but I have to use a powder puff with it. I've shared that with you guys. It's really, really nice, but I have to use a powder puff. I love the bronzer. Love the bronzer. The eyeliner, I love. I have the eyeliner. I have the mascara. I think it just doesn't work on me. But you guys know I have really funny lashes, so I don't know if I'm the best person for that. I have one of the lipsticks. I'm not wearing it today because I didn't think it would go with this look because it's more of a pinky. So I have a lot of their products. I haven't tried their lip pencil yet. I need to do that. I haven't tried their brow. But so far, the products that I have, I've been happy with. So I feel like the packaging is there, and then I feel like the product is there. But this, we need to talk about the product itself, okay? If you have a daughter, then maybe you remember when they first started wearing makeup, you didn't want to spend a lot of money on makeup, so you got like a little, maybe you got something from Justice, or maybe you went to Ulta and you got like one of those big kits with all the makeup and stuff. That's what this quality reminds me of. It's the quality of this is and I cannot tell you how many times people said, oh my God, it's so amazing. It's like the best shadow I've ever used. Let me read you some of the comments. Okay, these were things that and I didn't look at any of this before I bought it. When I got this yesterday, I tested it out. So first I tested out with my BK Beauty brushes and it didn't work really well with those, and those are good brushes. I use my Trish McAvoy Eyeshadow Primer. And I tried so many different looks with it, and I was like, what the fuck? What am I missing? And then I tried it with, I had some Urban Decay primer, so I thought, let's try that with it. And again, the same thing. I was using the same brushes, same thing happened. It was just, okay? And this one color in particular, ouch, I just pinched my finger. This one color in particular, okay? I even use glitter glue because it's more of a glittery, it's kind of, this color right here is like an opal-y color. Do you know what I'm saying? Like that rainbowy color with glitter, like really little glitter. I couldn't even get it to stick and look like anything with glitter glue. Okay? So after that, I'm like, what's going on? Okay. So I went to Sephora and I started looking at some of their comments on here. That's where I went first. Like, is anybody else saying that this stuff sucks? No. Now, a lot of these people were scented. Why can't people just be honest if you get sent product? I get sent product all the time. I don't always like it. You guys know that. If I don't like something, I say I don't like it. If I like it, I like it. If I don't, I don't. I'm not going to say I love everything to get free product. Okay? And there's companies that stop sending me stuff because of it, and that's fine. This said that it's, one of us said that the palette gorgeous, which it is. It says the shadows don't have a lot of fallout, which I disagree with. There are shadows that have a lot of fallout, and even in the pan, they're just so messy in the pan because you have to dig. Okay, we're going to talk about that a little bit more. This is what this person said. She said, oh my God, it's amazing. It's one of the best, and talk about the formulas. This is one of the best I've ever used. This is one of the best formulas she's ever used. So I'm just going to assume that she doesn't have a lot of experience with testing stuff out. I don't know. Because if this is the best, your mind is going to be blown when you actually use something that has good quality, is all I'm going to say. That was going smoothly and with good pigment. No. I wouldn't even call them good pigment. If you're watching me apply these right now, you're going to see that this does not have good quality. Now this person said they've used with no primer and primer. If I did not use a primer, you wouldn't see my eyes. You wouldn't see anything at all. She said she had no fat fallouts. She did have a lot of kickback in the pan, which I totally agree with there. But she said the satin shades are incredibly pigmented and so are the mattes. I just don't agree with it. I've used all of them. I was using all of these yesterday, trying to get a look, and no. And then I saw somebody using their fingers, which you're going to see me in the, here's the thing. When I apply this with my fingers, I get a lot more color in my eyes. But I'm sorry, I am not 5 years old. I'm not going to put my eyeshadow on with my fingers. Okay? I'm not going to do that, especially when I spent this much on a palette. So I want to turn this upside down. So this shadow right here, you hardly get any color with that. Hardly anything. This one too, you'd think, oh, that's going to be really pretty, that pink. No. That's the one that I'm wearing right there, but I had to stick my finger in there and put it on. When I was using a brush, and Refer brushes are good brushes. It's a natural hair brush. Natural hair brushes are going to pick up the color better. So I don't know what kind of formula this is. It's almost like you've got to use your fingers to get good color payoff. But I don't think this is like one of the nicer looks I've ever done. I think it's okay. I think it's all right. But it's not like, it's not amazing. My eyeshadow does not look amazing. It looks okay. So today, these are the colors that I'm wearing today. Again, you saw in the video, but I'm wearing this color here. I even used a little bit of that white. I used the pink. I used the brown. And then I use that color. Those are the colors I've used. But I've used the blue and the green and the black together are really pretty. The purple is nice. But again, you've got to really, really work with it. These are all shadows that you really, really have to build up. And honestly, I don't mind that the pans are that small if the quality was good. Because here's the thing. Let me get, these are just some palettes that I'm grabbing really quick. Ones that I have in my bathroom are my Dior 5 shadow pans. Those are phenomenal. I don't have to work hard to get a look. I just put my brush in there and I can get a really, really pretty eyeshadow look. I have a couple of Chanel ones that are nice, but I'm not going to count that in here because I feel like Chanel's kind of, it's not consistent. You can get a nice eyeshadow palette from them, and sometimes they're not good, okay? Sydney Grace, I have this one right in front of me, and I know somewhere I probably have the Enduring Love around here somewhere. These shadows they're beautiful. You don't have to work hard to get a look. And you see how they look? Like, I use these a lot, but it looks like I hardly use them. You know why? Because I don't have to dig my brush in there, where this, you can see, I don't know if you'll be able to see on camera now because I've opened it so many times, but it's like you put your brush in there and you just get all this mess. And you have to keep going like this and applying it and going in there. Even this blue, the blue looks nice on my finger. But if you use a brush to get it, here, I'll just use this one, okay? If I use this brush to put it on, where's that color? Where's the color? Where is the color? Now, I don't have any primer on, but if I put a primer on, it's not much better. And I'll show you that, okay? Where's my primer? Let me put an eyeshadow primer on, and I'm going to show you some other palettes that. Just put this on my arm, just for demonstration purposes, okay? So I put the primer right there. I'm going to put the shadow right there. So it's a little bit better. It's a little bit better. But still, does that look as blue as the pan? You know what I'm saying? That's still pretty faded. And look how many times I had to swipe over it to get that. Okay. See what I'm saying? I just placed my brush in there. I didn't have to go like this to get color. You know what I mean? Like, you can't do that with this palette. This is a palette you're gonna have to work to get a look, okay? Sultry palette, I love. And Marizzi, whatever. Another great one from Anastasia. Soft Glam, another great one from Anastasia. These are shadows that you put your brush in and you apply it and it looks amazing. And I've had these for a while. I haven't used them as much lately, but I was using these constantly, and it looks like I probably used them. You know why? Because you don't have to dig your brush. And there's a couple there, but you don't have to dig your brush in here to get a look. I have two Urban Decay ones, the Honey palette and then the Born to Run, and these are both great palettes too. This one I probably like more than this one, but both really nice. Those are all better quality than this. Do you think my eye look looks particularly amazing today? I think it looks okay. I don't think it looks like a $150 palette. No. 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 So I did buy this one, by the way. I haven't even, this is one from Anastasia. I haven't tried it yet, so this isn't going to be a review, but I'm excited to try it. So stay tuned for that because I am going to try it. This is a different one for me too because I've got these base pans in there too, but I was excited to try it. But like, look at, I'm just going to do this. Like, look at how pretty that is. I'm going to do that on the Gucci one. I'll take one that's similar. Okay. I mean, it's beautiful. I have no regrets. I think it's beautiful. I'm glad that I have it. Is it worth $150? Hell no. It's not. I would say it's worth about $45, and that's just for the packaging. It's not worth $150. And saying that, when they do come out with a refill, I am going to purchase it because I'm already committed. I mean, I already have this. I'm committed. Maybe it'll be better. I don't know. But I would say this. If you already have a lot of the pieces from this line, and you're like, it's so pretty, I just want to put it on my vanity, it's going to make me happy, then I would say you're going to love it. For the packaging, you're going to love it. But if you're going to get it because you've seen people say the quality is okay, because I don't even think it's okay, I feel like you're going to be really disappointed. So just know the quality sucks. And you're going to have to work with it. You're going to have to use good brushes. You're going to have to use a good shadow primer, or you're not going to see it. Because I'm looking at my eyes and the monitor. I don't think it's that great. I think it looks like, and I'm probably going to put some, I'm going to put some of this on. I'm going to put some shimmer on as soon as I'm done here. It looks like. So that's where I'm going to leave it. If you've already bought it, share your thoughts in the comments below because it's helpful. I always say, because what I say, we may not agree, but this will be a hard one though, because I feel like this one, I feel like I'm pretty spot on, because I worked hard just to get this, and I don't think it's anything amazing. I can keep working at it, but that's the problem with it. You're not getting a good quality. You're getting a product. And Gucci's laughing their ass all the way to the bank. So we bid it, we did it, we bought it. I don't have a regret though. I really like it, but it's definitely not worth it. It's not. And I have scraped so much off of this one. This one's going to go first because I'm hardly getting anything. Like when I do my finger, you can kind of see how the color looks? But then when you put it on, you're like, where's the color? It's like, I can't even see it. That's how most of this was when I was doing it. It's like, where's the color? The deeper colors you can see a little bit more, but you still have to build it up if you want a deeper look. So thank you all so much for joining me, and I will catch you guys all in my next one. Bye.